I am Mr. Mysterious, and today I am going to tell you about the top 10 scariest things about space. Space is a vast and mysterious place that has fascinated humans for centuries. However, as much as we are in awe of the vastness and beauty of space, there are also things that are incredibly terrifying about it. In this video, we will explore some of the scariest things about space. But before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. Let's start the video. Number 10. The void. The vast emptiness of space is perhaps one of the scariest things about it. Space is a vacuum, meaning that there is no atmosphere or air pressure. This vacuum can lead to a feeling of isolation and emptiness that can be overwhelming. The vastness of space can make us feel small and insignificant, reminding us of our mortality. Number 9. Black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and terrifying objects in space. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Black holes are formed by the collapse of massive stars at the end of their lives. When the core of a massive star runs out of fuel, it can no longer produce enough energy to counteract the force of gravity. The core collapses under its own weight, creating a black hole. Black holes come in different sizes, from stellar black holes that are a few times the mass of the Sun, to supermassive black holes that can have millions or billions of times the mass of the Sun. They are characterized by their mass, spin, and electric charge. The region around a black hole where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Anything that crosses the event horizon is pulled inexorably towards the singularity, a point of infinite density, and zero volume at the center of the black hole. Number 8. Gamma ray bursts. Gamma ray bursts are the most powerful and energetic explosions in the universe. They are brief, intense bursts of gamma ray radiation that last from a fraction of a second to several minutes, and they occur in distant galaxies billions of light years away. GRBs are believed to be caused by the collapse of massive stars, or by the collision of neutron stars or black holes. When a star collapses, it creates a black hole or a neutron star, which emits a burst of high-energy radiation in the form of gamma rays. GRBs were first detected in the 1960s by the Vela satellites, which were designed to monitor nuclear test explosions. Since then, numerous space observatories have been launched to study GRBs, including the Swift satellite, Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, and Hubble Space Telescope. GRBs are important because they provide a unique opportunity to study the early universe and the physics of extreme events. They can also be used to study the properties of interstellar gas and dust and to test theories of gravity and the nature of dark matter. Despite their power, GRBs pose no threat to life on Earth, as high-energy radiation is absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere. However, they are still fascinating and mysterious phenomena that astronomers are still working to understand. Number 7. Asteroid impacts. Asteroid impacts have the potential to cause widespread destruction on Earth. The impact of a large asteroid could release the same amount of energy as several nuclear bombs, causing massive earthquakes and tsunamis. The impact could also kick up enough dust and debris into the atmosphere to cause a global cooling effect, leading to a nuclear winter scenario. Number 6. Solar flares. Solar flares are intense bursts of radiation that originate from the sun's surface. These eruptions can release as much energy as 1 billion atomic bombs and can cause significant disturbances in the Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field. Solar flares are often associated with sunspots, which are dark regions on the sun's surface caused by intense magnetic fields. When these fields become twisted and tangled, they can release enormous amounts of energy in the form of a solar flare. The effects of solar flares can be felt throughout the solar system, causing disturbances in satellite communications, GPS systems, and power grids. They can also pose a threat to astronauts and spacecraft by exposing them to high levels of radiation. Scientists study solar flares to better understand the sun's behavior and to develop better methods for predicting and mitigating the effects of these powerful events. Number 5. Dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that makes up about 68% of the universe. It is responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe and is believed to be the force that will ultimately rip the universe apart. The thought that the universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, and there is a force that we know very little about, is unsettling. Number 4. Cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that originate from space and continuously bombard Earth's atmosphere. They are primarily composed of protons, but can also include heavier atomic nuclei and electrons. These particles are created through a variety of processes, including supernova explosions, the acceleration of charged particles by strong magnetic fields, and the decay of unstable particles. Due to their high energy and speed, cosmic rays can cause damage to spacecraft and pose a radiation risk to astronauts in space. However, they also play a crucial role in shaping the universe by influencing the formation of stars and galaxies. Scientists continue to study cosmic rays to better understand their origins, composition, and effects on the universe. This research can help us better understand the cosmos and develop technologies to protect astronauts and spacecraft during space travel. Number 3. The vacuum of space. Space is not entirely empty but is rather filled with a near-perfect vacuum, meaning that it contains very low levels of matter and energy. Even in the deepest reaches of interstellar space, there are still a few atoms per cubic meter, which are primarily hydrogen and helium. However, these atoms are so spread out that they don't interact with each other or with any other forms of matter, and the pressure and temperature are extremely low. The vacuum of space also contains various forms of electromagnetic radiation, including cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet light, visible light, infrared radiation, and radio waves. These forms of radiation have different wavelengths and energies, and they play a crucial role in shaping the universe and the objects within it. Overall, the vacuum of space is an essential and fascinating aspect of the universe, and its properties have significant implications for many areas of science and technology, including astrophysics, cosmology, and space exploration. Number 2. Rogue planets. Rogue planets, also known as free-floating planets, are planets that do not orbit around a star and instead drift alone in space. They are believed to have been ejected from their original planetary systems, either through gravitational interactions with other planets or stars, or through a violent event such as a collision. Rogue planets can be similar in size and composition to regular planets, ranging from small rocky planets to gas giants. Because they do not receive any energy from a star, rogue planets can be extremely cold, with temperatures dropping to hundreds of degrees below freezing. However, some rogue planets may have enough internal heat to support liquid water and potentially even life on their surface. Rogue planets are difficult to detect because they do not emit any light of their own, and are not illuminated by a nearby star. However, scientists have developed methods to detect them through gravitational lensing, which occurs when a rogue planet passes in front of a background star and bends its light. Studying rogue planets can provide insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems, as well as the potential for life in the universe beyond our solar system. Number 1. The unknown. Perhaps the scariest thing about space is the vast unknown. While we have made great strides in our understanding of space, there is still so much we don't know. We don't know what dark matter is, we don't know if there is life elsewhere in the universe, and we don't know what the ultimate fate of the universe is. Despite all the potential dangers, space exploration remains a critical endeavor for humanity. It allows us to expand our knowledge and understanding of the universe while also providing insights into our own existence. By continuing to push the boundaries of what we know, we can overcome the fear and uncertainty that come with exploring the unknown and pave the way for a brighter future. So this is it for today's video. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.